Hi friends, I'm Parvez and this is our fourth video in Python programming language. In this video we're going to learn that how you can use numbers in Python. So numbers are another type of built-in data type in Python, and numbers are often useful in programming. For example, if you want to keep the scores in a game, then you can use numbers. So Python treats numbers in several different ways and depending on how they are being used. Now first let's create an example on integer numbers. So for example, I want to store for example score. So first I'm going to just create a score variable, and after that I'm going to just add the number on this variable. So for example, I want to add 50 in here. Now, so you can see that this is an integer number. Now I can print this, so score, and if I run this, you can see that I have 50 in here. Now let me just bring this to the right bottom, yeah, like this. So you can see that we have 50 in here. Now there are different arithmetic operations that you can use on numbers. For example, you can add two numbers, you can divide two numbers, or you can multiply two numbers. So now let me just show you. So you can just say print, for example, I want to add 5 plus 4, and if I run this, so you can see that I am receiving 9. Also you can minus, so 3.2, and you can see that we are receiving 1, and you can multiply two numbers, so times 2, and we can say, for example, also we can divide two numbers, for divide by 2, and you can see that we are receiving our multiplication and also division results in here. So also you can do this in another way. For example, we are going to create two variables, 5 and also y24. Now we can add two numbers, so we can just create another variable, and we are going to store this the result of these two in this add variable. So we can just say x plus y. So we want to plus 5, so we want to add this 5 and 4 together. And also you can subtract. We can just say x minus y, and also we can multiply, so multiply, and we can just x times y. Also you can divide, so division, x divided by y. Now we're going to print the result in here, so addition, print subtraction, and we can print multiply, so multiplication, and also we can print the division, so division. Now let me just run this, and you will see the result in here. So you can see that these are the result for the addition, for the subtraction, multiplication, and also division. Now if you're using two multiplication symbols, then it will be represented as exponents. For example, in here I'm going to just create print, for example, 3 times 2. Now if I run this, you can see that I am receiving 9 in here. Or if I say print 4 times 3, and you can see that this is the result. Also, Python supports order of operators. For example, in here I have 3 plus 2 times 2. Now in here it will first multiply these two numbers, so 2 times 2 it's 4, and after that it will add 4 to 3 so that it will become 7. So now if I run this, I should receive 7. Okay, now you can see that we are receiving 7 in here. Now if I create for example y, so 3 plus 2 and multiply by 2. Okay, now in this example it will first do this operation. It will first remove these two parentheses. For example, in here we can say that 3 plus 2 is 5, and after that it will multiply 5 by 2, that we will receive 10. So if I print y, and if I run this, so you can see that we are receiving 10 in here. Also, you can use floating numbers in Python. Python calls any numbers with a decimal point as a floating number. For example, we can just write print 1.5, and you can see that we are receiving 1.5, or we can say print 2.3, and if you run this, you can see that we are receiving 2.3. Now you can do different operations on floating numbers. For example, I have 2.5, and also for the y I have 2.7. Now I can print x plus y, and I can say x minus y, x multiply y, and x divided by y. Now if I run this, you can see that I am receiving the result in here, floating result. So thank you guys. Like this you can work with numbers in Python programming language. If you have any question, please let me know, and also if you want the source codes or more information, you can just check my website geekscoders.com.